This quick video is about how to recover your deleted text on iPhone iMessages. Okay, actually you can easily recover your deleted iMessages on iPhone. For that, you should have turned on iCloud backup for Messages app. You can check on settings. Just go settings and your name, iCloud. Then check if messages toggle button was turned on or not. If it's on, then you are lucky. You can easily recover your deleted iMessages or normal messages. For example, I just delete these messages for now. Just tap delete and delete. That's it. Now it's gone. I permanently deleted that. Let's check whether it's recovered or not. Quickly open settings and your Apple ID, then iCloud, then turn off this iMessage toggle button, then tap disable and download messages. Let's close this and open message app. No, now it's not. Okay, let's again do this. Let's open settings, then again turn on and turn off these, disable and download messages. Let's check that. I think few of the messages was recovered. Yeah, now it's recovered. Likewise, try 2 or 3 times until it's fetched the deleted messages from iCloud. That's it. You successfully recovered your deleted iMessages or even normal messages on iPhone. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.